There are many fantastic calorie counting and tracking applications on the market, and that's why it's usually difficult to choose which one to try first or which one is the best. In this video, we first have a look at the most common capabilities and features, and then we introduce the top 3 applications to check out and try first. At the end, we highlight some of the reasons why they differ from others. It is important to note that the differences are compared for the latest release in 2020. Since the top applications also compete with each other, it won't be so surprising if some of the offerings become more alike in the future. In general, most of them are very similar, they have similar functionalities, and all of them offer the possibility to keep track of your calorie intake, macronutrients, which are protein, fats, and carbs, and also macronutrients, which are vitamins and minerals. These are tracked daily and can even be shown on average over a week or certain period. For keeping healthy, it's often recommended by experts to pay attention to the daily macros and weekly intakes of vitamin and minerals, and not only focus on the calories. Usually, such data is already available in the free versions. In all of these apps, it's very easy to track the calories and nutrition. They have very large databases of foods, either from the supplier company or by the users themselves, which are then verified by the supplier. These databases come in various languages, so you can easily find a complete meal or all the ingredients. You can do this either with searching by name or scanning the barcode on the food package. You can easily choose the size or unit of each serving. Or, alternatively, if your food is not available in any of the above options, then just create your own meals or recipe, which could be a combination of different ingredients. The data in all of the apps are very well organized. You can easily divide the meals to breakfast, lunch, dinner, or snacks. There are usually many articles and insight on foods, recipes, exercises, and more. In most of these applications, there are more features such as coaching with predefined training plans based on your goals, current weight and height, and some other features in their paid, premium, or pro version. If you want to start, it's definitely enough to start and try with the free versions. For most of the users, these are just perfect enough. Most of the applications have the possibility to get connected to other sensors or apps like your smartwatch or exercise applications. They sometimes have challenges and level badges to give you extra motivation to gain more achievements and offer the possibility to get connected with friends and share progress and result on social media. Now let's move on to introduce the top 3 calorie counting applications that you can download and use for free. They are the most popular ones and each have tens of million users worldwide. This is the App Class channel, and if it's your first time here and you want to learn about high-rated apps, start now by subscribing to our channel. The third place in our list is Lose It. In general, it's a really good application. It's free but has an optional premium subscription. It has more than 40 million users today. Adding recipe is possible but only manually. In this application, only the calorie counting is available in the free version. And it's not possible to see the nutrition average records over time in the free version. Food insights only available in the premium version. The second place in our list is LifeSum. Also more than 40 million users today. Very similar to Lose It in terms of free version. Similarly, adding recipe is possible but only manually. For the premium version, it provides more interesting features such as diet plans. Finally, the best calorie counting application is MyFitnessPal. It is the most popular and user-friendly application with many free features. Today, more than 80 million users are using this application. It has the largest food database of 11 million. More than 50 apps and devices can be connected and synced with MyFitnessPal. Even in the free version, you can easily see the macros, vitamins, and mineral data on a daily average, over a week, or over a time duration. Also, many health and fitness articles, recipes, insight, and exercises are available in the free version. You can also add recipes either manually or automatically from a web page. So, if you want to try one application for your diet control, I definitely recommend you to go for MyFitnessPal. I want to let you know that nothing in our list is sponsored and these apps are selected based on the rate and number of downloads. So if there is anything that you are recommended and is not in our list, make sure that you leave that on the comments below to help other people that are gonna watch this video.